welcome back to another episode of Sea Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. We're taking a trip today, we're going to Italy, and we're making a wonderful pasta dish from scratch. We're making PIZZOCCHEri. PIZZOCCHEri is a buckwheat pasta. It's really nutty, it's thicker than most pastas. There's tons of potatoes in there, lots of cabbage, lots of fontina mountain cheese, and we also have a ton of cabbage. It's not for the faint of heart. This dish will stick to your bones, will stick to your gut, but it is highly satisfying and I highly recommend it. Let's go ahead and give it a try. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!